Hello, good morning. Today is Wednesday, and today we have to do laundry. We have to clean the counters, and then we have to clean up the mess here that the dogs do every day. There he is. Hi, Chewie. As you can see, they always make a big mess all over with their toys. Their toys are all over. Shall we put them away, Chewie? You gonna help me, Chew? And then we can pick up this table. Look, all the mess. Oh, I don't know why the table is moved so close to the couch. But we have a lot to do today, Chewie. You gonna help me, Chew? I'm gonna do laundry today. And I have a big pile of whites. We went to a Japanese store yesterday and we got a few snacks. We got this candy. And this gum is really good. And these are gummies. And we went there looking for the ice cream. They have a little packets of ice cream that they sell in Japan at the 7-Eleven stores, and we saw online that they have them at this store, this Japanese grocery store in Tempe, and we drove all the way over there and they didn't have the ice cream anymore. They had the sign on the wall, but we asked because we didn't see it in the cooler, so we asked and they told us that it has been discontinued, so they're not gonna have it anymore. So we were so sad. We got another different ice cream they have there and it was really good. Not the same, but it was really good. Now I'm making brunch for the girls. My daughter Natasha has a friend that lives in Chicago and she came to stay with us for a few days. This is the only way I can eat eggs. I don't really like eggs much. This is one of the ways I can eat it. It's like, we call it huevo torta. It's like eggs, just like an omelette, but just plain. And I had to put the red sauce on it for flavor. And the only other way I can have eggs is with chorizo. We got this pastry from the Japanese store yesterday and I'm trying it right now. It's so fluffy and soft, but it is it's 270 calories for the whole thing. I don't want to eat it all. It's too much, but look at this. It's so good. Do you guys have a good way to keep your whites really white? If you do, please let me know. What I do is I double wash. The first time is regular wash with cold water, and then the second time I do a quick wash with bleach with very hot water. I do this mainly for the towels and it keeps them very good, but I think they could be whiter. Try the soft ice cream machine again. I tried it once and it worked for one cone, was really good, but then I don't know what happened, it stopped working. I had to open the thing and take the whole canister out with the ice cream, and I had to pour the ice cream on the cone with a spoon because I don't know what I did that didn't work out well. So today I'm gonna try it again. Hopefully this time it's gonna be good. So we need 2 1/4 cups of whole milk. I don't have whole milk. I only have 1%. So we're gonna try it with this. Let's see how it goes. So 2 cups and 1/4, and then 3/4 of heavy cream. So that's gonna make it 3 cups, right? Then it says half a cup of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then it says 1 pinch of salt. We're gonna mix everything, and I'm just following the recipe from the book that comes with the machine. I had to follow the instructions correctly because last time my husband was like, "You didn't read the instructions." Of course I did. I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna soft serve. Here it's supposed to take about 40 minutes, and I had to make sure I hear the beeping when it's done. It just beeped that it's done. It's making so much noise. Did you hear the beep? Let's get the cones. Oh, that's a lot. There you go. That's cool. And it stopped. We did 2 cones and now nothing is coming out. It's not pushing it out. So I'm gonna have to open it and get the stuff out with a spoon, I guess. I don't want to push the button. Last time this same thing happened and I pushed because it says you can make it less frozen. And then it says to put more liquid if it's too frozen. And it got crazy, start beeping and stopped. It just stopped working. So I don't want to do that again. So it looks like it's over frozen. So we turn it off. We are gonna wait 5 minutes and then turn it back on, see if it gets more soft and we can dispense the ice cream. So it over froze. This is very frozen. I can even pull the cylinder out. I'm gonna have to wait a few minutes because it's really hard inside there. It's about 4 p.m. right now, and ice cream machine got over frozen, so I had to pull all the ice cream out with a spoon, and it was really hard. Like, it was so hard. I had to let it stay there for a few minutes so it melted away a little bit. So next time we are gonna set the temperature lower. So it has a default temperature for soft serve ice cream, so that is too much. We are gonna try next time with less bars and see how that goes. And then my son, Ethan, he's 23. He just told us that he just paid off his car. We are so excited for him. He just paid his car off, and now he's not gonna have a car payment, but he's gonna focus on paying off his student loan. He still owes about $14,000 on the loan, so hopefully he'll pay that off soon. But we're so happy for him. He's such a good boy. Time to prepare dinner. I'm making chicken breast in the Ninja Grill. But I want to tell you about Ethan. He was studying music composition online at the Berklee College of Music, and he passed when he saw his loan account, and he decided to work and start paying it. But don't know if he will go back and continue his education for now. We'll see. Chicken is ready, and we had it with mashed potatoes and peas. Kids don't like mashed potatoes, they like pasta instead. And this was our dessert. We had frozen strawberries with some heavy whipping cream, and it's very good. Chewie, come here. Chewie. My daughter and her friend went to a concert today. It was raining when they left, so I was a little bit scared, but I think they made it. And I don't know what time they'll be back. Right now is 10:37. My son is doing laundry, because from 12 to 8 p.m. we cannot do any laundry. I don't let them do laundry because the rate for the electricity is a lot more expensive. Not only the rate, but they have a demand charge that sometimes it's a lot. One time we had to pay about over $700 one month because we charged one of the Tesla cars at that time. So it was crazy. It was so expensive, but there was nothing we can do about it. We had to pay it, and that was not fun. So we just have to be careful and don't use a lot of electricity during those hours. So it's time for me to go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me all day, and I hope you stay stitched along the way. Until next time, adios!